On today's video, we are going to be talking about strategies I can put in place to change your Android phone into an iPhone. So for this video, we need a browser. So in this case, we are going to use Play Store as this is an Android phone. So we come to the search bar, search for Play Store. Now on this search bar here, we are going to type on the central control. Now if we can check on these pop-out apps, we can see that there are many of them. So how are we going to know the real one, the one that functions well, that shows you the exact iPhone? So in this case, we have this one here. This one is the best. Functions pretty well and in all Android phones. So click on it, then we install the app. In my case, I've already installed the app. So after the installation process, we click on open. Wait for the app to load. This app functions pretty well and offers to us different features that we can use. So this app is one of the most best Android apps that you can actually change your Android phone to an iPhone. Please remember to click the subscribe button if you are not subscribed to my channel, so that you'll be notified when I post new videos. So please subscribe to this video. Choose from the language, that's English. We accept everything that they're asking us here. We get started. So here we are going to accept everything here. We're going to enable everything here for this app to function properly. So we start from this camera, storage and Bluetooth. Listen to notification. Let's listen to notification. Click on allow. Start. Into this. You need to allow all these essential settings. You need to allow them for this app to function properly in your Android phone. And this one is one of the most essential functions that you need to accept for this application to become more functional and to avoid problems when using the application. Click on OK. Set. Here we click on it. Use control central system. Then we go back. We need to enable this guy here. We need to enable this guy. After we have enabled, if we can go back now and check, we see that our Android phone has automatically become an iPhone. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe, share and like, and please post your comment on the difficulties you face or on the different improvement that you need, please. Thank you for watching to this video. Please remember to subscribe so that you can get the notification when I post the new videos. Thank you.